The Google Pixel 3 XL, definitely one of the most popular smartphones of 2018. Now everybody liked the camera of the phone. We also liked the experience of the stock Android in it, but almost everybody hated the notch in it. Now that's all in the past now. It's the year 2019 and we can wait for the Google Pixel 4 XL to come out. Now let us see what it has to offer. Hey guys, this is Ashish and welcome to TechDome. Now if this is your first time here or if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to stay notified of our new videos. Now the Google Pixel 3 was definitely one of the most popular smartphones of 2018. But let us see what the Google Pixel 4 XL has to offer. Now we have information here regarding the Google Pixel 4 XL. Now we say information and not leaks because this comes straight from Google patents. Now let's talk about that. Now from the image itself, you can see that this time Google has dropped the notch and gone with the bezel-less display design. We will talk about that design to the front later on in the video, but first let's go and see the back side of the phone. In the back side, you will see that Google has opted to stay with the same dual tone color back panel that we had in the previous lineup. Now this time again Google is going with the single camera setup instead of the dual or even triple camera setups that most of the companies including Samsung seems to be opting. Now we don't know why Google has gone with the same single camera setup as last year, but talking about last year, Google used the same single camera setup against the dual camera setup that most of the companies like Apple and Samsung used, and it's managed to do a great job. Now this time around, let us hope that Google does the same. Now speaking about the backside, we can see that the fingerprint scanner is again on the same spot as it used to be in the last time. Now this year we see that most of the phones like the Samsung and other brands like Vivo, Oppo all are using the in-display fingerprint scanner instead of the fingerprint scanner to the rear side of the phone. Now I admit that these fingerprint scanners are cool with their great animations and all. Now when it comes to comfort, I would say that the fingerprint scanner to the back side is the definite winner for me. Now I have used both the front facing and the back facing fingerprint scanner, and I have to say the back one definitely wins when it comes to comfort. Now returning to the front side of the phone, we can see that there is a dual front firing speakers. Now this should theoretically give you a great stereo experience with great audio clarity. Now we can also see that there is no cutout for a camera in the front side of the phone. Now this means that Google is going with the front punch hole camera system that seems to be becoming kind of a trend with the smartphones right now. Now Samsung has launched the A8 Plus, which has a front camera punch hole setup, and most of the other brands like Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo all are going with the same setup. Now this should suggest that the Google Pixel 4 XL will have the sliding camera mechanism that like we have seen with the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 or the Honor Magic 2. Now we do not know how they will be implemented, or will it have a dual camera setup to the sliding mechanism or not, but let us hope that Google learns from the mistakes of this past and does a better job in designing this phone around this time. Now bear in mind that these are just early designs of the phone. The Google Pixel series have always traditionally launched in the October, that is the beginning of Q4 of every year. So we still have a good 10 months to go before the Google Pixel 4 and the 4 XL will be launched. Now since this is an early design, we could see some changes when the final product comes out. Anyways, we will be there to cover that also. Now hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. This is Ashish from TechDome signing out.